Hello dear students, welcome back to my channel Sri9 Teaching, and I am your Srinivas sir. So in this video I am going to explain the important points as well as important questions from biology for you for SA1 examinations which are going to be conducted from December 14th onwards. So I already made videos for important questions of physical sciences as well as in mathematics, so please do watch them also along with this one. Now today we are going to discuss the important points as well as important questions in biology. So here one request to you that please read all the concepts so that you can do well in the examinations, though you have less time. As you have less time, okay, some of you asked that sir, as we have less time, so give important question means. So here I am going to give some important questions as I expect. Okay, so I expect that 90% are important, but I cannot give guarantee of 10%. Okay, right? So my sincere suggestion is you better prepare the whole lesson or concepts. Okay, right? Now we start the class here in biology. Now for SA1 we have how many chapters here? Now let us see the contents. So in this contents here, yes, this is the contents index. Now in this one, so for SA1 we have up to 5 chapters, isn't it? The first chapter is nutrition, second is respiration, third is transportation, fourth is excretion, and fifth is coordination. In some of your districts, even sixth chapter may be included. If not, it's okay, it is well. Right, now these are the 5 chapters which are for SA1 examinations. As you know, physics is for 40 marks and biology is also for 40 marks. So together physics and biological sciences for 80 marks, right, and 20 marks internal as FA1. Now let us see the first chapter. Important questions here. Right, what is first chapter? Nutrition here. Now here the nutrition is very important topic. Yes, now you know that plants prepare their food on their own, hence they are called autotrophic, right? So here in this one, the one of the nutritional process is photosynthesis. Now this is very important. Regarding photosynthesis, the question may be asked like this: explain the process of photosynthesis along with chemical equation. Now here, okay, let us see the what are the important topics here. Now this equation, see, CO2 plus 2H2O gives rise to light in presence of chlorophyll, gives rise to CH2O plus H2O plus O2. This equation is important if it is not balanced and it is asked to be balanced, right? Now here it is one topic is given, that is note, see the chemical equations. So as I already told you that in physical science, the second topic, chemical equations, is very important, right? Now coming to the actual equation of photosynthesis. See, the equation 6CO2 plus 12H2O gives rise to light, chlorophyll, C6H12O6 plus 6H2O plus 6O2. So you see that the equation will be given, okay, and the question will be asked like that, like this. So by observing this equation, explain that what process it indicates. Okay, this is the question, and what you will write the answer. Yes, this equation represents the photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is what? It is a process taking place in plants, that plants prepare their own food by taking carbon dioxide from air, water from the through the roots, and sunlight. In presence of chlorophyll, they prepare starch or glucose. Such process is called photosynthesis, right? And the equation is written as follows. You write this equation like this. This is the photosynthesis, right? Now this is activity 1, which is a simple activity. The question will be asked like this: explain the activity to test the presence of starch in leaves. Or how can you say that carbohydrates or starch is synthesized in leaves? So here this is important activity which is for 2 marks, right? Yes, now we go like this. Yes, here the factors, materials. So 1 mark question will be asked. What is that? what are the factors or materials, essential materials required for process of photosynthesis? You know that. What are they? Carbon dioxide, water, sunlight, and chlorophyll, right? Yes. Now coming to next important concept. Yes, prove that. Activity 2. Prove. How do you prove that carbon dioxide is necessary for photosynthesis? Here it is the activity. Yes, as you know that it might been told you by your taught by your teachers. This is important activity. What question will come regarding this? The question will be asked that write an activity to prove that carbon dioxide is essential or needed for photosynthesis, right? Okay, now this is the answer you will write here. Now light and photosynthesis under this topic. Here this is the lab activity. What? So as you know that in physical sciences as well as biological sciences, the questions are given depending on the academic standards. Academic standard 1, that is conceptual understanding. Academic standard 2, that is imaginations or expectations. What will happen, what would, why, give examples. Such questions will be given in second academic standard. In first academic standard, explain, give the differences, okay, what are the types of, such questions will be asked in academic standard 1. And academic standard 3, yes, one compulsory lab activity question will be given. How? Explain the aim and procedure and write the precautions to be taken for the lab activity to show oxygen is produced during photosynthesis, right? Such question will be asked. So here the lab activity is depending on giving regarding oxygen is produced during photosynthesis in presence of light. Here in presence of light, the hydrilla plant perform the photosynthesis. When photosynthesis is performed by the plants, what gas is taken inside? Carbon dioxide. And what gas is liberated? Oxygen. And how it is tested? Yes, the oxygen is collected into the test tube and it is tested with the burning splinter or a match stick which is burning. If you keep that burning splinter into the test tube, it burns with glow or more brightness. It indicates that oxygen is present or oxygen is released. Such activity is very, very important. So, okay, this activity important. Please learn. Yes, and this shows, activity 3 shows presence of light. So, plants can synthesize or conduct photosynthesis in presence of sunlight. If light is not there, photosynthesis will not be taken. Okay, this is about that activity. And also chlorophyll is very essential. Now in chlorophyll, chloroplast will be there, right? Yes. Now where does photosynthesis take place? In leaf, in chlorophyll. What is chlorophyll? It is a green pigment present in all greenery plants or leaves. Now this diagram is very important in page number 9. Draw the transverse section of leaf and label the diagrams. Please do practice this diagram because it may be given for 4 or 8 marks. I think you have drawn in your classworks, right? Now coming to, this is the structure of chloroplast. Yes. Explain the chloroplast. It means that you have to draw the diagram and you have to explain the process or the functioning of chloroplast. This is also important. Yes. Now mechanism of photosynthesis. Photochemical phase. What is the photochemical phase? Okay, if you know, you learn or leave for choice, right? Light dependent reaction and light independent reaction. Now here, yes, as I said, nutrition is of 2 types. What are they? Autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition. Autotrophic means the living things which prepare their own feed or their own food are called autotrophic or autotrophic. Now heterotrophic means the living organisms depend on other things or on other living organisms which are called heterotrophic. They do not prepare their own food, right? Yes. Example, amoeba, paramecium. Maybe question asked, explain the heterotrophic nutrition in paramecium or amoeba, right? Yes. Now parasitic nutrition in Cuscuta. It is a plant, right? This is also daughter, genus Cuscuta. This is also important for 1 or 2 marks. Yes, coming to nutrition in human beings. Here, nutrition in human beings means how food is taken and how food is digested in digestive system. What are the enzymes? How the peristaltic movements? How the food goes into the pipe from oral cavity to the esophagus and into the digestive system, and again into small intestine, and after last rectum, right? So the whole process you should learn. Now coming to this activity 4, this table is very very important, Nana. So why, actually I said in academic standard what question will be given regarding lab activities or activities, aims, materials required, procedure, precautions will be asked in academic standard 3. And academic standard 4 is what? Yes, a table will be given. A table of contents will be given depending on the topic or the matter which is present in the table. Questions will be asked. Even from third chapter of physical science. What is that? Acids, bases, and salts. Some acids and bases will be given. Their pH will be given, and questions will be asked. 4 or 5 questions. 4 questions will be asked. Such like that. Here in biology also a table will be given. Depending on the table, you have to answer the questions which will be given below the table, right? So this table is regarding digestive enzymes. What are the digestive enzymes and how they are secreted, into where they secrete, and what is the name of the digestive juice, what is its action, and what are the products. Okay, so please look at the table. Just no need to by heart, but you should learn means you have to remember. Okay, yes, this is table of enzymes. Now coming to flow chart of human digestive system. This is also very very important, which will be given for 2 or 4 marks. How food is taken, how it goes, how it is to be digested, and what after taking into small intestine. Such questions, such aspects, such points are there. Please learn this table. Okay, Nana? Right. Now coming to, yes, here diseases. So regarding diseases due to malnutrition. So nutrition means here which type of food we take. Generally we have to take a balanced diet. A balanced diet is nothing but it consists of 6 nutrients. What are they? Carbohydrates. Yes, carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, and water, isn't it? So these are called nutrients, which are together is called a balanced diet. So we know that all nutrients are present in different food items or materials. Such materials, food materials, we have to take. Okay, now if they are not taken, what happens? We get diseases due to malnutrition. Yes, now here this page, what is the page number here? 18. This is the 18th page number. Please do remember what are the types of diseases due to malnutrition. So what are they? One is Kwashiorkor disease, second is marasmus, and third is obesity. So one question definitely will come regarding these diseases. Okay, right. Now next, vitamin deficiency diseases. What is the meaning of deficiency? If required amount of vitamins are not taken, then we get diseases. Okay, so this is the table regarding vitamins. What are the vitamins? What are the resources? Means where they are present, and what are the deficiency diseases? What are the symptoms? Okay, this table you learn. Okay, so 19th page, this table also important. Yes, with this the first chapter is over, and let us look at the questions. Improve your learning. Yes. So sir, we know the concepts. Please tell the questions. Means now I am telling the questions in first chapter. You see, write the differences between, in which I give important for the B and C. In first bit, B and C are important. Second question, give reasons. In this second, why is it right to call dark phase of photosynthesis as a light independent phase? That is important. And the last, D, why is not possible to demonstrate respiration in green plant kept in sunlight? Okay, these are important. And third, give examples. Give examples A and C. Okay, digestive enzymes, vitamins. Fourth, from where do plants get the raw materials required for photosynthesis? This is important. And sixth, name 3 end products of photosynthesis. This is for 2 marks. Okay. And after that, ninth one, explain the structure of chloroplast with a neatly labeled sketch. Important. And 10th also important. 10th is important for biology as well as for physics, right? Next, 11th also important. 12th also important. And next, coming to 14th is very, very important. Okay. Coming to 17. What is malnutrition? Explain few nutritional deficiency diseases. 18th, 19th also important. Okay, right. These are small questions. You can easily, these are not only small questions or essay questions. These are generally related to our daily life. Hence, once you read means you will remember. Definitely, don't worry about that. Now coming to here from 20 to 28, which questions are important means here I already seen. Now I am telling to you. 22nd, what process do you follow in the laboratory to study presence of starch in leaves? I already told just at the beginning of the lesson, right? Yes. Now coming to 25th, would the survival of organisms become difficult if there are no green plants on earth? How do you support it? Very important. 26th also important. Okay, right. Now coming to 30th important. 30th one is very important, right? So now these are the important questions in first chapter. Obviously objective you learn, right? However, and also practice the diagrams. Be careful. Diagrams are very, very important. In first chapter, what are the diagrams? Transverse section of leaf and chloroplast. Very, very important, right? Coming to respiration, second chapter. In this also very fastly I will go. What is the respiration? What is cellular respiration? What are the steps, events or steps in respiration? This chart is important, page number 26. Now what is breathing? Okay, what are the pathway of air? How the air goes into the lungs? Okay, see here, nostrils, nasal cavity, pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchus, bronchioles, alveolus, blood, right? So this is important. Now what is the role of epiglottis? What is the role of epiglottis? That is important. Now going to mechanism of respiration, you can write easily. Now, yes, how gases are exchanged in our lungs or in alveoli or capillaries. Now this table is important. Now next coming to, yes, here mitochondria, cellular respiration, where cellular respiration takes place. Why mitochondria are called powerhouses? You know, yes, the cellular respiration takes in human beings mostly in mitochondria, where in presence of oxygen, glucose breaks into 2 ATPs, I think 4 ATPs, and 2 ATPs are utilized and 2 ATPs are store energy here. Okay, so energy is releases during respiration in mitochondria, hence they are called powerhouses. Very important. Here what products are breaking in respiration, this chart is given. Now coming to here, aerobic respiration, anaerobic respiration. Now here lab activity, testing for production of heat and CO2 under anaerobic respiration. So here it shows the anaerobic respiration. You know what is aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration? Aerobic respiration means the respiration which takes place in presence of oxygen. Okay, and anaerobic respiration is nothing but it is a respiration takes place in absence of oxygen. If sufficient oxygen is not there, not present, then anaerobic respiration takes place. In aerobic respiration, carbon dioxide releases, whereas in anaerobic respiration, alcohol, carbon dioxide also releases. Now coming to what is fermentation, important. Okay, now respiration versus combustion. One question will come, differences between combustion and respiration. Now how do you prove that heat is releases in respiration? Evolution of gases exchange system. Okay, this is not that much important. Now respiration in plants, going here. Yes, this activity 4 is very very important. How do you show that? Heat is releases in respiration in plants. Okay, yes. So now coming to, yes, questions. Now we'll go through the questions. First, distinguish between. Here I say B and C are important. One, B and C. Second is important. Third is important. Food sometimes enters the windpipe and causes choking. How does it happen? Okay, that is important. Sixth question. And here, yes, ninth also important. 10th, 11th and 12th. Okay, now coming to 15th one, also important. Coming to 18th important, 21st important, 22nd. Okay, now prepare article, prepare code banks, a discussion, and 25th is also important. So okay, 25th you can write on your own, right? Actually, shall I say one thing? The first, second chapters, nobody can tell what is important, what is not important, because though these two chapters are very interrelated and they are very important in your life also, not only to get marks but also in life also. Okay, that's what. But okay, anyhow, as time is less, you can prepare. As I said, definitely you will get good marks. Okay, right. Now go to the, this annexure is not required. Coming to the third is transportation. Now here, what is transportation here? How does it take place? We have double circulatory transport system. One is that blood transports between organs to the heart, and heart to lungs. So two types are there, two ways it goes. Here, this is the table in page number 62. It tells about the heartbeat. Okay, heartbeat in different persons: newborn, infants, children, okay, adults and aged person. This table is important. Okay, now coming to lab activity, observation of the internal structure of the mammalian heart. Now coming to this diagram is important, internal structure of heart. So what are the parts? And you, I think question may be asked to draw, or if the diagram will be given and will be asked, label the parts. Here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, that numbers will be given pointing the parts, and you have to write the names. Okay, right. So that's why labeling is very important. Is coming to, so this table is important, functioning of the blood. Okay, blood vessel. Coming to the cardiac cycle, that is systole and diastole. What is one cycle? What is systole and what is diastole? Question will be asked. Okay, this is called double circulatory system. Okay, now coming to lymphatic system. Okay, small question will be asked. Now coming to, what is blood pressure? Very important. How blood pressure? What is hypertension? Question will be asked. What is coagulation of blood? How it happens? What are the reasons? Okay, now coming to, so this is, what is root pressure? Isn't it? What is root pressure? How it takes place in plants? You have to explain. Coming to, yes, here. Now let us go to the questions. Yes, now here the questions in third chapter. Coming to the important questions. Second one is important. Fourth, fifth, sixth. Next question, what is use of platelets? Very important. Eighth one. Ninth is, all is important. Ninth, A, B, C are important. Now 11th, 12th also important. Right? Now what is the, okay, 13th is okay. You just what are the in 13th question, what are the functions of the different parts are given here. Now 14th is important. Now coming to 17th, 28th question is important, and 23rd is important, 24th is important. Okay, so these are the important questions. Now go to next lesson, next chapter, that is fourth chapter, excretion. Okay, now I am directly going to the questions. Here, report on plasma, serum, blood analysis. Okay, so all the tables are important. Now here this lab activity is also important. Coming to kidneys, here the structure of kidney is important, internal structure of kidney. Okay, this diagram is important, please try. And this internal structure of kidney and nephron is also important. Nephron structure is also very, very important. This structure. Now what are the mechanisms of urine formation. Okay, read well, read once. If you any question comes, means you can write on your own. Mostly you can write on your own. What is dialysis? Why dialysis is needed? Kidney transplantation. Yes, in on kidney transplantation, one question may be asked. So is kidney transplantation is possible? How it takes place? What is the importance of kidney transplantation? And liver, large intestine. So regarding liver, one question will be asked definitely. Excretion in other organisms. Here, yes, other this table is also important. Okay. Now plants, excretion in plants. So table 5. So the yes, in model paper also one question is there. Different alkaloids, plant, part, and uses are given, and we have to match them. We have to arrange in a table which alkaloid is from which plant and what from which part the alkaloid is produced and what is its uses. The names are given, but we have to write under the correct headings. So the such question is given this time also may be given. Okay, the flowers, fruits. Yes, now let us go to the questions. Now what is meant by excretion? Explain the process of formation of urine. The first question itself only important. Okay, third question is important, fourth also important, fifth, seventh, what is meant by osmoregulation. Now ninth, give reasons. Please read, give reasons compulsory. In 10th one, kidney, what are the differences? C and B and C are important. Okay, yes, coming to 13th question is important. 13th question important, and coming to 17th, 18th, 19th compulsory they are. 21st is important, and 22nd is very, very important. Please note it. 22nd question is important. You read about brain dead in this chapter. What discussions would you like to have? Why you think so? Okay. Yes, this is in excretion. Now coming to 5th chapter, coordination. Okay, this is the last chapter, I think so. Now what we discussed till now, excretion, first nutrition, second respiration, third what is transportation, fourth excretion, and fifth coordination, the linking system, especially brain system, right? Now responding to stimuli, now holding a falling stick, this is okay. Coming to, yes, structure of nerve cell, very, very important, the explanation as well as the diagram. Okay, Nana, right? Coming to what is synapse or synapse. Here you see synapse, very important, very, very important. Synapse is the connecting of two nerves. If there are more, then our brain works very well. Okay, please read this page number. So coming to afferent nerves or sensory nerves, different types of nerves. Afferent nerves are motor nerves, association of nerves. This diagram is important. So regarding key jerk, knee jerk reflex, one question may be asked, one or two questions. What is reflex arc? Explain with a diagram. Now next going to what is central nervous system? What does it consist? Brain. What are the parts of brain? Forebrain, midbrain, hindbrain. And this structure is also important. This structure will be given as a picture, and may be asked to label the names of the diagrams. Okay, right here different parts of the brain and functioning of them. Now spinal cord, very important. What is peripheral nervous system? What is peripheral nervous system? In peripheral nervous system, draw the spinal cord structure. Okay, the transverse section of spinal cord. This structure is this diagram is important. Now autonomous nervous system. Okay, now let we go to the coordination without nerves. Here pancreas. Regarding pancreas, question will be asked. Now other chemical coordinators, that will be hormones. Yes, regarding hormones, important. Next we go to feedback mechanism. No, it is not. Yes, this table is important. Once you read what are the glands, and types of hormones secreted and response of body to hormone. So this table is important. Table 2, endocrine glands coordination. You know, the pituitary gland is called master gland because it produces 9 types of hormones, it seems 7 types of hormones, and it is called master gland. Okay, thyroid, ovary, testis, adrenal. It produces this thing, controlling hormones. Okay, self-controlling hormones it produces, I think. Anyhow, this table is important. Now, you know, touch plants, these are called. Yes, you know, have you seen these plants? When you touch, they fold together. Mimosa pudica, right? Now, yes, hormones in plants and their uses. Very, very, very important, please. Hormones and uses, please learn. Okay, now in previous table we have seen the hormones production of hormones in humans, and this is production of hormones in plants and their uses. Okay, right, and what is more? Yes, now let us go to the questions. Improve your learning. Fill in the missing sections in the following flow chart. This is important. Okay, step on sharp edged object, what happens? Right, now I think you may have the answer for this first question. Just find it where you can. Okay, now do you think body's teamwork maintains functioning of our body? Justify your answer with an example. Second question is important, and third also important. Okay, what is axon? And here electrical impulse. So in fourth question, please read once, it looks important. Yes, as I said. Fifth, what is synapse or synapse? How is it useful in transfer of information? Now sixth one, distinguish between A, stimulus and response, and D, receptor and effector. Yes, I think sixth completely important, Nana. We cannot say which question will be given. And coming to seventh one, how does phototropism occur in plants? 11th is important. 16th, 17th, 18th, 22nd. Yes, 19th also important. Please see that 19th. 23rd. Yes, 26th question. This is about neuron, dendrite and dendrite connection, axon dendrite. Why do they connect like that? Okay, that is important. 27th also important. Yes, now coming to yes, okay. So these are all the important questions as I just now told you. So here question, whatever the types, whatever and however the questions will be given, we should be ready. We should ready to answer them. So we can answer any question if we know the concept, that you remember, please. Okay. So no, however, in biology you can write in your own words, but with meaningful sentences. Okay. So some terminology you should learn. That is important. In sciences, what happens, you know? So the marks will be given for related terminology according to the question given. Though may you write the answer, but the terminology is important. So the related terms are there, then the marks will be given. Okay, right. Now please go through the questions and concepts which I just explained, and okay, so please watch the mathematics, physical sciences important questions videos, those till now did not see or did not watch. Okay, so if you think that this video is useful, please like my video and share it to your friends. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell button also. Okay, so for social studies I will try, if I go through the textbook, or I will upload tomorrow, I think. Okay, if it is possible, I will upload important questions in social studies also. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Please be in touch with my channel, that is Sri9 Teaching. Okay, thank you for watching.